sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, welcome to sFunLearningAdventures and Learning. I'm Corban, that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today, we're going to be making our own soda from edible science.
All right, our own soda with edible science. So,
Stay tuned.
okay, so the first thing we need is 1 teaspoon of citric acid.
Woo.
All right, let's go to the next step. All right, what do we need next, Corbin?
We need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
All right.
Boom. 1 cup of water next.
All right, 1 cup of water. Oh, I hear some bubbling. Oh, it's starting to bubble. All right, it's starting to bubble. All right, let's go to the next step.
Next comes the sugar.
All right, Corbin's gonna pour it in. So you can go ahead and pour it in.
Let's go.
But you can put as much sugar in there according to your taste. And you're gonna stir that up.
Next comes the food coloring. I'm using blue food coloring, but you can use whatever you want. You don't even need to use food coloring.
And you're gonna put 4 drops in there.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna stir it.
All right, now he's stirring it.
Bam, 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 bam. Now it's time to taste it.
What do you think?
Mmm.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And remember to subscribe.